There are several ways in which you can make money off of YouTube, but the most common one, the most known one, is by monetizing your YouTube channel, and YouTube will place advertisements on your videos and then you'll be paid. So that is one of the goals every new YouTuber chases, that they want to get the 4,000 public watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers to be able to get monetized. Now, quickly, to be accepted in the YouTube partnership program, which is YPP program that everyone chases, you are supposed to have 4,000 watch hours that you gained in the previous 12 months. Not that very year, or maybe for example 2021 or 2022 or 2023, but in the previous 12 months. You just count 12 months back, and then you know those public hours are the ones that are going to be legible to be monetized on YouTube. And then you are supposed to have 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter when you got the subscribers. Maybe you got them in 2002 and now it is 2022. It doesn't matter as long as you get this, the 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and then the 1,000 subscribers that you have. You can apply the YPP program. There is one thing you have to know, that before you apply for the YPP program, make sure that all the content that you have on your YouTube channel is yours. Or if you have some reused content, it should be reused content that has been changed in a way. You've added voiceovers, you've added original commentary, your own voice in it, you've re-edited it, not just downloading someone's YouTube video and then upload it to your channel. And also, if you have copyright strikes, it doesn't mean that your channel won't be monetized, because I've seen some channels that have been accepted, but at least it lowers the chances of being accepted in the YPP program if your channel has active copyright strikes or even community guideline strikes. So let me tell you quickly how I really make money off of YouTube as a small YouTuber, because if you look at my channel right now, it is not so big, okay? But at least I can make money. Now, the first thing is that I was accepted in the YPP program, and I make money as a YouTuber where they monetize my YouTube channel, my YouTube videos. Of course, every YouTube video that I have on my channel that it's not a short, it has adverts on it. Well, you're going to watch it. If you play this video, you're going to see advertisements. Maybe at the beginning, in the middle, if this video is long enough to get advertisements, and then you see advertisements at the end, and that's how I'm paid. Depends on the CPM. People that are doing like money videos about real estate and other high-end CPMs, and then people that have so many followers from the United States of America, countries like those countries that have very high CPM, they'll be paid different ways. Like I can earn $10 for particular views, and then a person in the United States can earn $100 or even more for the same views about the same topic, or even something like that. So it depends on the location of the viewers, not the location of your channel, but the location of the viewers, your audience, where are they coming from, and so many factors around that. But that's not something that I want to rotate around in this particular video. The other way that I make money off of YouTube is through partnership, like sponsored content. You see that in some of the videos here, not all, but some of the videos, like my documentaries, like videos about music or something like that, you see that somewhere in the middle I'll mention a particular sponsor, I'll mention a particular product, I'll mention a particular someone. So in that way I'm paid some few dollars. It can't be so much, but if you add it, you see that you get some money out of it, out of the sponsored posts. Like mentions, I don't do direct sponsored videos. There are some people that come out and they just want you to do a video about their product, because me, I don't do product reviews, so I don't do those stuff. But there are some videos, for example, those that I do product reviews about makeup, about all different things, gadgets, microphones, cameras, phones, and what. You can do those sponsored videos. You do a video about a particular phone, you make a video about a particular camera, you make a video about a particular microphone, or cosmetics or clothes and something like that. But me particularly, I make money around those sponsored posts or sponsored mentions in my videos, like mostly software, yes, and websites and mobile applications. Those are the easiest things that I get here on my YouTube videos. Now, the other way that I make money off of YouTube is affiliate program. You see that some of the videos that I make about particular websites, you see that those videos have affiliate links, and I always tell you that I have affiliate links in my description. So if you go there and click that link and register successfully, you earn as I earn. So that's one of the ways that I really make money off of YouTube. So the three ways that I make money off of YouTube are getting monetized, my videos getting monetized, and then through sponsored posts that come once in a while, and then through affiliate program. Now there is some other way that you can really make money off of YouTube. As a small YouTuber, maybe you don't have enough subscribers, but people will come out reaching to you, asking you to post their content and make money, and then post their stuff and make money. But you can use YouTube to grow another audience outside of YouTube, for example on Facebook. Now at the time of making this video, I have 24,000 followers on Facebook. So if a brand comes to me and they say they want me to post their content or talk about their products in my YouTube videos, I'll also offer them, I'll tell them I have 230,000 followers on TikTok, and then I have 24,000 followers on Facebook. I have almost 10,000 followers on YouTube. So this is what I can offer. That is the number of followers I give you. How much are you going to offer? You'll see that even if somebody has come with a budget of $100, if they see that you have that number of followers that are going to see their product, they will increase the budget, or they will take what you ask them, or they will accept what you ask them to give you. So it also comes back to how ready you are, because as you are building this social media, you have to know that social media or the internet is the future. It is where we are living, and it's where we are going to live. It's the new normal. It's where we are going to make money from. So as you are building this particular kind of audience or on YouTube, you should also build the same kind of audience on TikTok. You should also build the same kind of audience on Facebook. Get a Facebook page, start posting, and make sure they're growing together. Okay, don't just post like links from here to Facebook. No, you can just get a video, cut it, post it on Facebook, get a video from Facebook, post it here, as long as it's your original video, and then grow that audience. It will also help you earn more money than you would have earned, because when they come here, they know you have followers on TikTok, you have some followers on Facebook. So if you add them up, you have 10,000 here, 20,000 here, and then some 1,000 on YouTube. If you're a small YouTuber, even below that, they see that okay, he can talk to as many followers as possible. So that will give you more bargaining power, and then you'll be able to make at least some more money, more than you would have expected. So don't give up. If you want to start YouTube, YouTube pays. You can make money off of YouTube. You can make a living off of YouTube. So you're vlogging, you're making how-to videos, like you're solving people's problems, you're making educational content, and any niche that you are in, just continue doing YouTube videos. You're a small YouTuber, you are going to succeed, because this is the future. YouTube is not going to stop anywhere. People predicted YouTube to stop in 2 years, in 5 years. Right now we are here. YouTube is still here. So that's how I make money off of YouTube. If you want any video like this one, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, comment down below, and tell me what you want me to talk about in the next video. My name is Shammah Benefits. See you in the next one.